Hello there, science explorers! It's me, C. Come and join me for a magical adventure as we discover a secret with invisible ink. Let's gather our magical ingredients. Now, let's mix the baking soda and water in our bowl. Shh! This is a top secret. I am going to write a secret message using the mixture of baking soda and water on our paper. Can you see the message? Nope. Oh, it has vanished. But don't worry, we have a special trick to reveal it. We need to mix turmeric powder and alcohol. Let's brush it on our paper. How did that happen? Turmeric, a spice known for its bright yellow color, contains a special substance called curcumin. When curcumin meets baking soda, they have a special handshake which reveals our message. Yay! We cracked the code of the invisible ink! I love Danielle!
Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! See you in our next video!